After a hectic day, trying to squeeze in exercise can seem challenging. But what if you can get emotional and physical benefits out of your favorite hobby like gardening? Recent long term research documented across the world in China, Texas, and North Carolina has coined a new term called leisure time physical activity, which is fun related tasks done in varying weekly amounts to understand the risks of various forms of death, including cardiovascular disease and cancer. The study is unusual because it took place over such a long period. The researchers used 11 years of data and nearly 90,000 participants. The data came from the National Health Interview Survey, an annual event done by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Leisure time physical activity could include all sorts of activities more enjoyable than going to the gym, including gardening, dancing, and simply going for a walk. Compared to a sedentary lifestyle, doing these things for only 10 to 59 minutes a week led to an 18% lower risk of all causes of mortality. More physical activity even further decreased that risk. 150 to 299 minutes of physical activity each week led to a 31% decrease in all-cause mortality. Gardening has been previously linked to positive health changes. Gardening is linked to a decrease in depression, anxiety, and body mass index, along with increases in quality of life, life satisfaction, and sense of community. Gardening has also been linked to huge benefits for the elderly, citing a reduction in falls, reduction in stress, and even reduced need for medications. And add to all these benefits, you also get veggies and flowers in return. If you would like to have a garden of your own so that you can benefit from it emotionally and physically, get in touch with urbanmali.com. You can call us at 8804 8200 or visit our website urbanmali.com.